Hi everybody, this is Lorraine. Just come down to play a little bit, and I've put together some paints here. I have a color that is called Rogue from Masters Touch. I have a gold, and I have a phthalo blue mixed up, and I'm going to do a little tiny flip and drag here and just have a little fun. So, got some decisions here. Trying to decide if I want to put a little bit of black in with these three colors that I'm using. And I'm kind of thinking, no, I might just use a little white in between. Start with some blue. I'm going to go to the gold. And some of this Rogue or magenta. It's a beautiful purple. Put a touch of white in there. Then I'm going to go back through, layer some blue on there. A little bit more of this gold. And a little bit more of the magenta. And I just flip this and drag it across. I haven't put anything in this paint. There's no silicone or anything like that, dimethicone. Give this white a nice shake. Found these cute little cups. They're little shot cups for 20 cents or something like that. Kind of fun. Fill that in a little bit. Just move it around with my knife. I find this so relaxing after a long day of work. Just come down here and create a little bit. Like to share that with everyone else. I hope you enjoy seeing it. Okay, sides are probably covered pretty good there. Just going to take this and move it just a little. Oh wow, those colors are really pretty together. Just kind of want to see what happens here a second. There's some neat little cells coming out. And that's just because of the different paints together. There's no silicone or anything. There's some little baby cells coming out here. little lacing off the edges. Oh, I don't know what to do first with it. Tilt it back and forth just a little. I'm going to hit it with my torch to see what comes out here. You can see lots of air bubbles up in the white paint. Smooth it around a little bit and see what comes of it. I really like the whole thing. Wow. That gold is really shining in there. Looks very cool. I'd like to see more of that blue break through over here. I kind of want to touch it, but I'm scared to. Bring it down just a little, real slowly. I think I'm going to bring some of this side off a little bit so it's a little bit symmetrical over here. Wow, that is so neat. Get some of this blue to break through here. That turned out very pretty. And I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Now, actually, I'll probably torch it one more time here, see what happens. Oh, that's neat. Now I really like those colors together. Looks pretty nice. Let's see if I can get you a little closer here. Got a new camera, so I'm a little... See the different cells in it. That's really cool right there, how it looks like little white bubbles. Very cool. I think I'll leave that one just like it is. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it relaxing. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. That helps me out. Subscribe to my channel and share.